First reading, 1 John chapter 4 verse 7 to 10. Dearly beloved, let us love one another, for charity is of God. And every one that loveth, is born of God, and knoweth God. He that loveth not, knoweth not God, for God is charity. By this hath the charity of God appeared towards us, because God hath sent his only begotten Son into the world, that we may live by him. In this is charity, not as though we had loved God, but because he hath first loved us, and sent his Son to be a propitiation for our sins. Psalms chapter 72 verse 1 to 4 and 7 to 8. A Psalm on Solomon. Give to the king thy judgment, O God, and to the king's son thy justice, to judge thy people with justice, and thy poor with judgment. Let the mountains receive peace for the people, and the hills justice. He shall judge the poor of the people, and he shall save the children of the poor, and he shall humble the oppressor. In his days shall justice spring up, and abundance of peace, till the moon be taken sway. And he shall rule from sea to sea, and from the river unto the ends of the earth. Gospel, Mark chapter 6 verse 34 to 44. And Jesus going out saw a great multitude, and he had compassion on them, because they were as sheep not having a shepherd, and he began to teach them many things. And when the day was now far spent, his disciples came to him, saying, This is a desert place, and the hour is now past. Send them away, that going into the next villages and towns, they may buy themselves meat to eat. And he answering said to them, Give you them to eat. And they said to him, Let us go and buy bread for 200 pence, and we will give them to eat. And he saith to them, How many loaves have you? Go and see. And when they knew, they say, 5, and 2 fishes. And he commanded them that they should make them all sit down by companies upon the green grass. And they sat down in ranks, by hundreds, and by 50s. And when he had taken the 5 loaves, and the 2 fishes, looking up to heaven, he blessed, and broke the loaves, and gave to his disciples to set before them. And the 2 fishes he divided among them all. And they all did eat, and had their fill. And they took up the leavings, 12 full baskets of fragments, and of the fishes. And they that did eat, were 5,000 men.